beautiful day outside. I need to start saving money again. But let me show you guys how it looks because I am obsessed. Everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday. It is the start of a new week, and it is also the second week in my new apartment. So I think this vlog will just be about getting back into a routine again because I've pretty much have settled into my new apartment already. Things are where they're supposed to be, and I mainly have everything that I need. So now it's about time for me to get on with my life and jump back into exercising and working out because I haven't really done any of that ever since the move. But this morning, as you guys saw, I did go for a run. I did a little 4-mile run. I ran a new route that's in my neighborhood, so that is going to be, I think, a regular for me. I'm gonna try to keep up with running again, and it just always makes me feel good after, you know? The last couple of weeks, I haven't really done much besides like settling into my new apartment, and I also had work too. So besides work, I was just in my apartment getting stuff together. But I did go out for lunch one of the days with my friend Emma. We had sushi at Sendo, which is in K-Town, and I have been wanting to try out this place for so long. They have like different sets. You could get the hand roll set or kind of like an omakase style set, but it was really good. I'd go back for sure to try the omakase style. Later this week, I have some fun plans with my friends, so I'll be vlogging that, and it's just gonna be great. It's gonna be a good start to picking up my life together again. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah. So the last thing that I really wanted to get done in my apartment before feeling like I finally settled is mounting my TV and putting up my shelf on the wall. And one of my friends, who's actually one of my coworkers, offered to help put it up for me because I have no knowledge at all about like drilling. And growing up, I think my parents didn't really like drilling into walls, and so I'm always like uneasy whenever it comes into drilling holes in the walls, especially in an apartment. But I just wanted a TV up because I feel like it's just going to give me so much more space in my apartment. And so while I was at work, my friend came over and he put it up for me, and it looks so good, and I am like obsessed with the setup that I have. It looks so freaking good. He did so well. By like a centimeter, and I really want to fit it in there, so I'm gonna cut off like one of the sides. Okay, I am back from my little errands. So I got some flowers, I got some tulips, and some mums. And I'm gonna be putting them up in my vases. And then I just bought some snacks because I love to snack at home. I'm telling you guys, these are like the best potato chips ever. It's garlic butter and it's just so good. I'm like obsessed with this. I finished the bag earlier this morning actually. Not in one sitting, but I did finish my previous stock. So bought some bread and some peanut butter, some furikake, milk, and some more sweets. I will say just one of the things that I hate about moving is I have to restock on pantry staples again, and obviously that will all add up if I buy all in one go. So I've been trying to just buy it here and there. But for the most part, I have my essentials. So I actually started cooking in my apartment last week. I meal prepped for lunch and had some dinners at home. So I'm just so happy to be eating home cooked meals again, because during the first week of my move, I think I've just been like ordering takeout and eating out with my friends. So it's nice to just eat a meal that I've cooked in my own home. Good morning. Turn on the lights. It's already 8 a.m. I don't know what my plans are gonna be for today. Oh, I'm gonna be checking out this gym in the neighborhood with my friend Diane because I need to get a gym membership because my building doesn't have a gym anymore. So I'm gonna be checking that out, and then I think I'm gonna go to the store. I don't know what store, but I need to buy a toaster oven because I love bread and I love my breads toasted. So I really need that. So toaster oven is my next big purchase for this apartment. And when I tell you guys, I've spent so much money in this entire move, from like the movers to buying furniture, and like all these little things are adding up. So I think that the toaster oven will be my last big purchase for some time, I'm hoping, because I need to start saving money again. Because you guys could tell I love my houseplants. They just bring so much coziness to my space and I love them. But one thing that comes with plants are bugs, and what I've been battling for the past couple months are fungus gnats. So I repotted a couple of my plants a few months ago, and I believe the soil was infested with like gnats, because ever since I repotted them, I've been seeing gnats everywhere. And because of the whole move and like everything going on with my life, I couldn't really tackle the issue, because before I've had this happen and I was so diligent in treating it and it just went away. But basically my plants all still have fungus gnats. Not all of them, but the Monstera, which I named her Kitty because Diane said that I need to start naming my plants. But she has a lot of fungus gnats, and I went to the plant store the other day to repot Rapunzel, my pothos, which is right over there. And I asked for advice, and they said to try spraying it with hydrogen peroxide, because I've literally tried everything. I've done mosquito bits tea, where I water them with mosquito bits, and that usually worked for me before, but this time around it required like 2 to 3 waterings, and it would go down, but the gnats would come back. And then I tried spraying this topsoil with neem oil, and it hasn't really worked all that well. Like, it would kill them off for like a week or so, and then the gnats would just come back. It's definitely better now, but they're still there, and it's getting to a point where it's really annoying. So I'm gonna try out the hydrogen peroxide. She told me to just spray straight up hydrogen peroxide on the topsoil like every other day. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'll keep you guys updated to see if this works. And I hope it does, because I do not want to get rid of this plant. At our newest members of New York Sports Club. Yay! Alright, so that is one thing off of our moving to-do list. Now we've signed up for a gym, and then we're going to have a hot girl summer. And now I'm about to have some lunch. I'm gonna heat up my leftover dinner from the other night, which is just like farro and like chicken, and I'll probably add like salad or something in it. But it's really hard not having a microwave in this place. I've just been heating it up in the rice cooker. So later today I'm gonna go to the store to look at toaster ovens, because I really do want to buy one. I'm not sure if I'll look at microwaves as well. I'm just gonna have to see.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken.
This does not look like the most appetizing, but it's healthy and it's quick, and this is all I have.
You could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart. I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart, let us show. 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like, because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐, 난 돌아가지
This is
않아.
adulting.
서 있었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야. 아무도 없던 내 see your